What's going on, y'all? It's Big Roth. So a few days ago, before Samsung Unpacked, I came on here and I said that I was a little interested in the regular Z Fold 8. Not so much the Z Fold Ultra, but the Z Fold 8. And I was hoping that Samsung did something with the cameras, like a telephoto camera or something. All the reviews that I've seen, not reviews, but all the first impressions that I've seen about this device, everybody's going crazy over it. Everybody's really excited and very, very happy with it, and says it feels so good in the hands and all this stuff. It's the perfect size. My guy Shane Craig, who I go to for a lot of tech, and he's also very helpful on other things, but that's a different story. He said that it's the perfect device for wanting to have a smaller device open to become bigger, instead of having a big device, a device that's already big, get bigger. So that made sense to me when he said that, but I didn't place an order. I didn't place an order for this device, but I'm here at Best Buy right now. All right. I'm here at Best Buy right now, and I'm going to go in there. I'm going to see if they have it here in my store, and I'm going to check it out and see if having it in my hand and feeling it in hand changes my opinion of the device at all. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so here's what's on feet today. Jordan 1 lows, and we're gonna go in here and we're gonna check it out, man. Best Buy. All right, so here it is. Here is the regular Z Fold 8. It's really light, man. Very light. Not bad in hand though. Good weight. That width on that almost reminds you of like old school phones before, we got flipping and, the taller aspect phones. Let's see, let's open it up. See if I can do this one-handed. Okay, here it is. Opened up. Yeah, that's not bad, man. That's not bad. Let's see, let's go to a site or something. YouTube there. And then let's go to me. Boom. Alright. Here we go. And then, so this is the video from the other day. But let's see how this looks. A lot of ads and stuff. It feels really light. It feels really light in hand. That right there is what I don't like, is the two cameras. That's the part that I'm not good. Yeah, I'm good, man. This part right here is the part that I'm not the biggest of fans on. And I'm sure they'll take good pictures and they'll be good, but it's just yeah. I'm sure they'll take good pictures and everything, but I feel like they need another, like a telephoto one, man. So it's my only hesitation. I do like that it's thin, though. It is very thin. Nice size, nice weight. And here is the Z Fold 8 Ultra. And this is very similar to the 7. I like this color that's on the back, though. I like that. It feels like it's lighter than last year. Let's check and see if I can open it up. Nice screen, opened up. It seems like it's a little bit thinner than last year as well. I'm familiar with this stuff, so I'm good. I know what to expect on this here. But yeah, man, these are pretty nice, man. I like this. Here is the Z Flip 8 in that pink color, light pink. My middle daughter would have liked this one. She loves this color. But yeah, light pink on this one. Cameras there. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, fumble. Almost fumbled it. Alright, struggle game. Alright, Z Flip. Open. This is a little bit thicker than the other two, but I can see somebody using this, man. Women, kids, something like that. It's not so bad. I still think overall the real star of the show is probably this guy here. But this is nice, man. This is nice. Not mad at this. I just don't know if I would be able to use this every day comfortably, man. I don't know. I'm not sure. But, yeah, man, this is that. What do y'all think of this, man? Is anybody gonna cop this? Anybody hit the pre-orders? Y'all let me know what you think. Peace. Man, Best Buy, those Best Buy employees be all up in your grill as soon as you walk up in there, man. You can't get no privacy time to just kick it and look at the devices that you were looking at, man. They get all up in your business. Don't let you really chill and enjoy it. You know, investigate things. Hey, did somebody help? I just walked in the store. Y'all saw nobody came. Y'all saw nobody came to help me. I just walked up in here. But for the most part, this is the only place you can go so that you can test things out.